What's up, everybody? Stay Ready here, and I'm in one of my favorite places to be, Maximum Defense. And today, we're talking about the Glock 19 Gen 6. Let's go. In the box, we have lock, the back strap, 3 15-round mags, loader, and of course the Glock. It's empty. Lock it back. As you can see, we have the new slide serrations here in the back and the front. New texture grip that goes all the way around. Flat mag well. This new beaver tail here. And we have these little grips here like a gas pedal for when you're holding it. Plastic back and front sights. And it actually feels pretty good. I wasn't a big fan of the Glock, but I like this one. This is a 5. You can see that reset here, and you have the M08 for optics. You have this cut here for your light, and I like this. Like I said, I wasn't always a big Glock fan, but I actually like this one right here. And if you're looking to get something like this, I'll leave the information in my bio. Again, StayReadyArms. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.